Assalamu alaikum everyone. So BONK is trading right now at 2498. Highly manipulative move that I've been looking at for the past few days as well has taken place, and you are kind of losing the 10 and the 20 right now, and it could be time to safely say maybe a touchdown to the 55 can happen, which is 2082, and then maybe from here actually start to go back up once again. Now, why is the market actually dumping? The market has like obvious reason to go to the downside. We are sitting on the third month of the year, which is March now, and since last year or October of last year, right? Since the October of last year, the market is just moving so much that um, right now they have, and when I say they, I mean the whales have the reason of bringing the market down. You cannot even argue that, oh, why is the market correcting to the downside? It's pretty obvious. It has been pumping so much. People have been way too comfortable that, they just want to do it. But is it bad? Maybe not bad. Maybe just offer of discounts and opportunities for the people who want a discount and opportunities. But speaking of bonk here now, you have a 10 and 20 crossover. As I said, maybe the 55 could be the next place you start to come down into. But I've actually noticed that the weekly, there's this one strong area on the weekly time frame that you can say that bonk is always going to maintain and can actually be very good for an entry, and that is your amazing 10 EMA on the weekly and the 20 on the weekly. So the last time, even when you made that parabolic move, you pretty much always respected this. You had your 10 and 20 crossover right there, and from there everything moved up, and all you did is you came to the downside, you back tested the 10, you hang on to the 10 and the 10, and then finally you moved up. So coming down again, if you can hold the 10, which also means 1840, 1900, and the 2000 price levels, if you do hold them, we can actually start to see the 20 even pushing up again, and then start to push to the upside, which also means that since I'm watching this particular situation on the weekly, maybe perhaps it could be time crypto gets a little bit boring one more time. I mean, and by boring is you don't see those crazy greens all of a sudden, and now the market may stay a little bit low and sideways for a while, maybe even 2 months. Okay, maybe even 2 months, and I mean it because halving is coming in, and during the time of halving, when halving is done, the market doesn't pump all of a sudden. The market actually pumps maybe after 1.5 months or so. We're talking about an extended time until May, probably May. You could be looking at crypto getting crazy one more time, but I'm very bullish on a higher time frame with Bitcoin as well. So this drop maybe isn't really threatening as you may think, and that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.